Hello class, and welcome to this tutorial on how to submit assignments on Canvas. I've pulled up one of your assignments here to show you how to do this. First, click on Submit Assignment. This will bring up multiple options for you to submit your assignment. The first one is File Upload. If you chose to take the assignment, download it, and then do it in a file and save it on your computer, you will want this option. Click Choose File. It will open up all the files on your computer for you to select the one that you'd like to submit. Click on it and then click Open. This will then list the file for you to upload as your assignment. If you have more than one file, click Add Another File and repeat the process. Choose File, get the list, choose which one, and click Open. When you have them all listed, then you can press Submit Assignment. If by chance this is not the way that you did it, here's another option. You can only choose one. The second option listed is text entry. For this option, it opens a window for you to type your assignment. Here are my answers to this assignment. When you have them all typed, then you can click Submit Assignment to upload your answers. If you chose to do this on a Google Doc, you could copy paste the website URL and paste it into this window. If you want to record your answers, you can choose Media, click on Record, and your face will come up and you can record a video showing me, look, here's my assignment, I did it, and then I can see if that's an option you'd like. Then you click Submit Assignment when the video is uploaded. Google Drive also is an option that links to your Google Drive, and you can find the file that you made in Google Doc or Google Sheet or Google Slide or any of those other options, and it will upload it. This other one is for another system that we don't currently have. So I hope this helps you out, and good luck on your assignments this semester.